now, wait till price appreciation. Whew, that's a lot. Fit. So, simple IRA. An IRA is an individual retirement account. You wouldn't put that in an LLC or a trust. I guess you could set up an IRA, trust, or LLC, but with it being a simple IRA, I don't know if you can make that conversion. When it comes to the whole life policy, it would depend on, I assume that whole life policy is on you. You could make a trust the beneficiary of the whole life policy. And that way, those assets would skip passing taxes that would flow into the trust. So that would be the one consideration based on what you stated there that I would look through. It may or may not be the right choice. Depends on what type of trust you have set up. It sounds like you set up the revocable living trust with us, which could be the beneficiary of that insurance policy. However, you might look at an ILET, an irrevocable life insurance trust. I would talk to Dan Plaskett about those things, and he can help you navigate that in the best manner that's, the right thing for you. I don't have enough context about your entire long-term goals, your age, your kids, all the other things that would kind of factor into what would be the best way to orchestrate that. And if you're able to work with him and provide that information, again, like I've said many times, I know enough to be dangerous. He knows everything in and out, tax code and how these entities are structured, the language in the trust and how to structure that the right way, which policies and things are right at the right time. What he's built for us and what we went over on the most recent webinar that we put together for high net worth individuals invested in crypto is how he's married a dynasty trust with an intentionally defective grantor trust and then added digital asset transfer trust provisions in there. It is the most robust document built for digital assets, how to protect those. So, again, that's an irrevocable trust. It's not a life insurance trust. So I would reach out to Dan. His email, just reach out to info@digitalfamilyoffice.io and they can connect you with Dan to be able to help you navigate what to do with all of that. Again, excited to have you in the group. Thank you for working with us. Blessed and grateful for the opportunity. And thank you again for the super chat and the kind words. Patience first. Jake, what price is the minimum that the DTCC needs for XRP to be before they start small scale in July? Well, so the small scale is tokenization of ETFs. Real-time settlement moving to T+0 is still usable on the entire back end of the stock market, irrespective of tokenization of the ETFs or other stocks themselves. That would be the total volume, $4 quadrillion a year that the back end of the stock market settles. Depending on how much XRP is available for that application and how much Project Ion is using, very confident in 3 to 4 digits. Again,